Okay, so this doesn't have anything to do with anything, but it's cool nonetheless. So over the last couple of days, I found this website that allows you to create a 3D printable model of any rectangle of latitude and longitude. So I made one of the entire United States, including the ocean, which I had to include the ocean because Florida here barely sticks up above the ocean. Like at all. It's just right there on the edge. It's kind of cool. There's Bermuda. You have well, the eastern United States. The Appalachian Mountains are these little tiny things. And you come over here to the giant Rockies, which are pretty cool. That right there is Salt Lake. You can see there it is, Great Salt Lake. Kind of cool. Columbia River Gorge. Well, that's the Snake River Gorge. Heads on over to the Columbia. Got the Central Valley. It's kind of cool to see it all, in relative relief and everything like that. There's the Great Lakes. Anyhow, that's it.